Last month, well, last year, seems so far away already, but I thought I'd give you an update on how we finished off our year here on the farm anyway. Weather-wise, it was a bit of a roller coaster. Some mornings were crisp and bright, with dragon breath coming out of the horses' noses. Other days were wild and soggy, with the bleak trees bending in the gusts. And we had stunning calm sunsets too. I love my wild bird feeders. It's so nice to see the birds come out of the bushes and trees and watch them gorge themselves. We mostly have finches and tits and sparrows, but also collared doves and a range of corvids. I'm not good at catching them on film. Maybe next month when I've sorted a proper tripod for my camera. Our domesticated birds seem to prefer tea. The dogs try hard to work out how to be friends with the hens. Let's say it is work in progress. That's gentle. Turnip.
No. You need to get turnip.
I know. Turnip, gentle. I tried to give Buttercup the gander some entertainment on a string.
Buttercup, that should keep you busy, hey?
Let's see whether he gets any fun out of it.
A bit suspicious still, but once you overcome your suspicion, I'm sure you'll like it. Yes, I'll hang it up here, all right? There you go.
We got accepted on an environmental scheme that helps us plant more trees and hedges around the farm. Our Mehel group came to help plant some hawthorn. Unfortunately, we ended up working in the pouring rain. Thanks everyone for persevering until all plants were in the ground. Just before Christmas, the vet had to be called to treat poor Sean, who had an infection in his foot, and to check on Daisy again and give her some more medicine. She has a touch of laminitis, poor thing, and was quite uncomfortable for a few days. Luckily, the medication works and she is much better already these days. Twig and Bramble are as adorable as ever, loving their daily treat.
Oh, that was it? It's just supposed to be a treat, not your main meal. Yeah.
Bramble made it to much fame since he arrived here last spring and is currently featuring on the January page of our 2024 calendar. Our calendars are still for sale if you haven't got one yet. Just go to this link. Around solstice, we went on our traditional trip to the beach. It was very bleak weather, but just knowing that we are building up day length from now on is enough to be extremely cheerful.
Here we go.
And then off home for a hot cup of tea and some cake.
Whew, one solid cake. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Now.
Of course, celebrations continued into the evening with our traditional cutting of the plum pudding.
Lovely.
Belated very happy New Year wishes to all of you.
Plum pudding.